This is Nyland 225, it's 225 square metres. It's a custom design. It's from one of our standard sort of designs in our brochure, but the clients have up-spec'd this home a lot, and this is a construction progress video for the clients and for other people that want to build this style of home. We'll just run through. You can see it's got sarking on the walls, and the pink bracing is hardy structure brace. Most builders just use a cheaper plywood. We use the stronger, and we do a full wall instead of just a couple of little strips. So that's part of the N3 wind rating. You can see up here the trusses are treated. It's got metal ceiling battens which the ceiling plaster is secured onto, which stops bowing and sagging of the ceiling. And all the doors in this house are higher. It's got a 10-foot ceiling pretty much throughout. You can see that roller door is quite high. It's opposite a park, this home. It's got a 1200 wide front door. This area here is a walk around behind. That's where the main bed goes, and you walk in around behind, and you've got the toilet, separate toilet in there, robes here, and in here you've got a shower. Double hung windows, double vanity basin, frosted glass. It's going to have you see just there, it's going to have a recessed shelf. And this has a pool built right up to the boundary of the block, and so from the bed, if you're laying in bed and you're about to sit out, and where that metal decking is, that's safety decking that's got to go over the pool. And you can see there's a huge outdoor entertainment area here, and that's the kitchen through on the other side there with a wraparound window. And this is a lap pool. It's about 20 metres or more long. So there'll be a couple of progress videos of this house. It's going to be a pretty special house. It's got a whirlybird up on the roof there. That helps just, you can see it's working there now. It extracts moisture and any heat that builds up in the ceiling. There'll be bats go in this house as well. There's been a steel beam and post. And this area through here is going to have concealed sliding stacker doors. They'll actually slide back into the walls, so you won't actually see any fixed glass. This is the main living room, quite a big area. It's going to have all built-in shelves, TV unit. And through here is going to have an outdoor, you can see the plumbing. It's going to have an outdoor barbecue. Hey, can I ring you back? Okay. Sorry about that. Yeah, so the kitchen's going to have wraparound windows there. It's going to have a really nice fit out. In through there's another bedroom. There's a toilet. And just going in there. Bathroom in there. This frame stage basically allows you to sort of see how the electricians just put the wiring in, the plumbing's in. It's K2 plumbing, which is stops water hammer and any bacteria in the pipes. And you can see the cyclone rods here. Through the slab up through the top frame. A lot of builders aren't doing that anymore. A lot of the Sunshine Coast builders do still. A lot of the southern builders don't. You can see the cyclone rods in there, treated timber, the structure brace. Under eave extension for the robes. It's the laundry in through there. And we'll come and do another video of this Island 225. Bricky's starting next week, so once the brick's up and the external render's on, all the windows will be fitted probably tomorrow. We'll do another video then.